Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Asko brand washing machine and it's giving you an E7 error and you're wondering, what is this error and how do I get rid of it? And you may notice if you get this E7 error, you've probably got water inside your inside the washing machine, and you might not even be able to open the washing machine because it's full of water, so the lock won't unlock. And so what you need to do is you need to figure out why is the washing machine not draining. And there's really two main culprits. So culprit number one is going to be behind. If you come in behind your washing machine, you have a drain hose. And that drain hose is going to pump water from the bottom of the washing machine up, out, and into the drain. So that hose that's in the back, you want to make sure that hose is not kinked or bent or pinched in any way. Like if you just installed the washing machine, or even if you moved it a little bit, if you push it too hard against the wall, you can end up smashing or pinching the hose, and then the water won't flow out, and then it won't drain. By the same token, that hose, if it pumps too high, you should not be using any kind of extension or anything on that hose, because the drain pump is only so strong. And especially if it has to pump that water too high, it can only pump it so high, and then it can't pump anymore. It's not strong enough, and the water won't evacuate properly. And then the other thing is that the drain pump itself, which is at the bottom of and depending on the model, it can be in a little bit different spot, but access to it is always going to be in the bottom. And what can happen is that something can be blocking that drain pump from spinning. So like a button or something can come off in the wash, get sucked in with the water, and then get stuck in the drain pump. So you want to open the drain pump, and just you'll be able to see in there if there's anything in there, like a button or something like that. And so anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.